Come test drive this 2020 Honda HR-V. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes heated seats, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.